So let me go with the problem number 10. Right here, from the graph, identify a section which has half the enrollment of another section. Right. So we are supposed to find out A. So it is 40, right? B is 30. So C is 55, right? D is 45. E is 60. Now compare it. A and B you compare. So it is not half. Right. Now you have to compare individually. Now what happens here? B and E you compare. E has 60 enrollments, right? While C has 30 enrollment. So now the question is, identify a section which has half the enrollment of another section. That is, C as the half the enrollment of E section. Right? Option, which one is? That is C is the right one.